All right, so I'm out here, I'm doing a Christmas hunt. This hunt is the coveted tag. These tags, I don't know how many points I'm at, probably 5 or 6 before I finally drew my tag. This is the last day of the hunt. It's out here, it's raining a little bit. I know there's some good bucks in this area. Been driving around, doing a lot of deer cruises. I've seen some nice bucks. Unfortunately, they were in other people's yards or up by kind of their Christmas ornaments. These bucks tend to come up if you see Christmas lights or Christmas trees, stuff like that. They tend to come up and kind of congregate around that and eat, I'd imagine, the tinsel, candy canes, whatever happens to be on them. So I know there's a good buck in this area, so we're gonna get after them. It's go time, let's do this. So you can see I got good blood on the arrow here. There's a complete pass through, so it did its job. If it shouldn't be too much tracking, we're gonna take after it here and see if we can find it. Got blood, got blood, got blood. Definitely a good blood trail. We got blood. Yeah, there it is. Yes, yes. You got him. Look at this hog. Man. Wow. First archery Christmas deer. I knew they were big out here, but man, I did not know they were hogs like this. Look at the rack on him. My gosh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 10-pointer. Just an absolutely tank of a 10-pointer here on this Christmas hunt. Definitely one that I will not forget. Man, this is great. It's go time. There's a whole herd of deer right there. I'm on a deer cruise. Man, there's some nice bucks.